Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I've created an amazing new DIY that you can recreate for yourself. As always, my DIYs are simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. For my first DIY, I'm going to be starting off with these popsicle sticks from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be just gluing 2 popsicle sticks together. The reason I'm doing this is because sometimes when you paint popsicle sticks, they get a little bit warped. Now I'm just going to be using this pink craft paint that I picked up from my local craft store. After my popsicle sticks have had a chance to dry for a few minutes, I'm going to be using this specialty glitter that I picked up from my local craft supply, as well as my iPod. Right here you just see me flipping over 2 of my candlesticks. Next, I'll be using these ice cube blocks that are from Amazon, and I'll be using 7 blocks in between each pair of sticks. Right here you see me laying out 3 of the panels that I just made, and I'll be linking them together with more of those ice cube blocks. I'm also going to link 2 panels together using that same method. I'm going to be taking this Dollar Tree mirror and removing the stand. Off camera, I also placed a little bit of tape over the remaining screws just so I had a smooth surface. And so I've just taped up the mirror, and I'm going to be painting it with that same pink paint that I used previously. And so now it's just time to assemble everything. Now I'm just going to add some fairy lights and some artificial flowers, and yeah, here's what it looks like. What do you guys think? And so guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. A beautiful new DIY that you can recreate for yourselves today. I hope that you've enjoyed this little DIY because I really have enjoyed making it for you. If you have, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as well as hitting that notification bell and giving this video a huge thumbs up. And I'll see you again next time. Bye guys.